I fear not the man who has traded 10,000 shares, but I fear the man who has traded a few analysis shares 10,000 times. Hello dear investors and Homely members, welcome to Homely Your Chart, the session 2. Today is September 20th. I am the main speaker MG. So this program is specially designed for formulation with investors to learn technical analysis, let you know the direction of the index and its resistance support. But also we are keen to focus on the stock analysis to help you make profits by following bankers. So I hope you make progress every day with down-to-earth mindset. Then you will achieve sustainable and stable profits from the market soon. And to mind that the video is purely for study and discussion, and the stock mentioned does not constitute buying or selling otherwise. Yeah. So today our topic is, in the current market, how do you become one of the few people to make money? Why we have this topic today? So the market is still going down. Yeah, and we can check from this data. We know that there are only 53 stocks, or is about 5.93% successful rate in the current market throughout 894 shares. So it means that you have 5.93% success rate or chance when you're buying any stocks in the current market. So which is kind of the successful rate is kind of low, right? Because only these few stocks are rising in the past week, in this week. So to be fair, this is the way how the market works, right? And we have to admit it. So actually, this number is kind of the average level. But what I want to explore for you today is that even in this market, there are still about 20% of the people, of investors, making money in these 53 stocks. So how did they make it, right? So actually, that's what I want to share with you. Here is how they did. Okay, I will share you 3 points. The first one, get a grasp the essence of their market, or we can say just get to the point. How to say it? But this, we come to the stock market to make money is to catch the rising bullish stock, and then why this 53 stocks rise. So many people will say there is many reasons, such as the news stimulus, the company issued earnings or financial report of the company, and or the shares dividend, or there is a policy stimulus, or here's the most repeated version is that a friend recommended, or any boss recommended that it will rise. So many reasons why we will buy this one. But today we can tell you, I will share you the truth of the bullish stock. The first thing is we need to find the people who make money in the stock market, and actually we can call it banker, okay, or the institution funds or huge fund, or you can also call it unit trust, menu funds, or pension funds. Okay, they are the ones that are really driving the shares. Okay, so they are, how to say? So how do we find these bankers? Is that very hard? Right? Is it very hard? Or maybe you didn't imagine it before because you think maybe banker is kind of a secret people that will they never review anything. Actually, it's wrong. We have a way for you to find it. Okay, so which is we will move to our second point. We need the tools. Okay, we need the tools according to the Homely software. Through the MCD indicators can help us immediately track the movement of the bankers. So I will show you this tool, very simple, very fast. Okay, this MCD. So you can find the red chip, okay, in the picture represents the bankers. Actually, now we are starting to look at the stocks. We are starting to analyze the stocks in terms of funds, not in terms of the prices. So basically, when the percentage of the bankers are more than 50% of the time, that the banker is a kind of a stable control of the share. So we can take a look about some cases, okay, of the share which are controlled by the banker. Okay, for example, this one 7164 KNM. You're looking at, okay, this share has gone up nearly 5 times. Okay, in how many days? Let's check. Look at here, 179 days. It increased 492%, almost 5 times. Okay, 5 times. Is around 6 months, right? Around 9 months. It starts from end of last year till now. Okay, totally almost 5 times profit. A really bullish share, which is against to the market, right? Okay, the same goes for okay, this is the why we say it's against the market, because you can check the KLCI is still in downtrend, but this KNM keep increasing from the end of the last year. So that's why we call it kind of against the market share. Okay, so let's go for to the 71, the same as for the 7160 Panda Master. It starts increase from rise from the January till now 171 days, and increase the profit rate is 153%, also very strong, right? And another one, 0193 Kaduru Turan, okay, it increased almost 1 time, okay, 93%. In 35 days, it says that less than 2 months, okay, it increased almost 1 times. So and some other stocks also, and so on. Okay, so maybe you may ask that these stocks have already gone up, right? I want to catch up the bullish share which just stopped. Can of course, actually, the purpose of showing these strong stocks is to let you know the real face or real pattern of the bullish stock first. That is to say, the regularity of the bullish stocks. After you know them, you can use the same methods to set up the stocks you want to buy. Okay, so this brings me to the third point, which is to follow the trend. Okay, to follow the trend. The trend here is not only the trend of the chart, but also the trend of the news. The trend of the chart we have mentioned in the second point is to follow the bull share have risen to buy it. It would be safer. So if you want to buy new startup strong share, look for it on the news site. Okay. So for example, the oil and the gas stocks with relatively hot news coverage recently affected by the news of the Saudi attack, and many oil stocks have risen. So common sense tells us that this incident will cause the international oil price rise in a short period of time. So however, when the incident subsides, oil price will return to its original track or to its original price, right? But actually in the stock market is really different. The news itself is a contradiction, which means say that it will be used by the market bankers. So when we look for stocks, we must see which oil stocks have been put up by the news in conjunction with the banker's operation chart. So the characteristics of such stocks have reversed. That is to say, they have entered an upward trend. So, but only the stocks affected by the news stimulus are still in a rebound. instead of a reversal. Okay, so we can take a look at this difference in several stock cases. Okay, so first one, they are 52110. Okay, this share is kind of a bullish one. Okay, it's kind of a bullish one, right? Very clearly reversal of the rise, and you can see it actually didn't stimulus by the news because it already increased from the April of this year, right? Until now, it increased from 0.2 to 1.1, right? To 1.1 a few times actually. And also about this 5210 Armada. Bumi Armada is goes the low point is high, right? Is higher, and there was a banker here. The red chips is bankers chips. They are bankers push up, which is already over 50%. You can see here, right? This is 5210. This too is kind of reversal. And how about this one, 5133 Pentra Energy? This one is also actually a reversed share, but it is important to note that the volatility is very high, very large. Even it's already reversed, so it means that we recommend you to trade it in medium short term instead of long term, because if you play long term, your time efficiency is very low. Okay. And the next one, 7250 USMA. Okay, USMA have a little bit. Well, this is rebound. Okay, this is rebound, but it's kind of a strong rebound. It increased 63% in 29 trading days. It's just more than 1 month. More than 1 month, increased 63% is also very good. But why we say it didn't reverse, because it still have a previous high point. If it can break after this previous high point, then it can be a reversal. Okay, and the next one, Dayang. Okay, 5141 Dayang is from rebound to reversal. Also need to break up this highway. But the point is they are bankers are pushing up more than 50%. So the possibility is still very high. If you already have this one, you can hold it. And when you break up the previous high, you can add a portion. If you didn't buy this one, you can buy when you break out. And now if you buy is a little bit chasing high. Okay, a little bit chasing high. So since the most of the investors don't have this tool to track the banker, now you know you can track, but you maybe don't have this tool. So we've opened 5 software free trial version for you, so you can get it by sending trial these 5 letters to my WhatsApp 011-1652-7962. You will get it. Okay, first come first served. Okay, so these are the 3 things I want to share with you today. First one, grasp the essence and then use the tool, then follow the trend, then can make you become one of the few people to make money in the current market. Okay, to current market. So you know that in fact the stock market is not kind of a casino, but it can be reviewed as a game, right? So the advantage of game is that you can make money by learning to look for the regularities, and then you can use those regularities or those rules to predict the future. And the graphic analysis in the stock market, or we can say tactical analysis, is a kind of a way to make money by learning the rules. So the key is to have a sense of learning, so as to be able to grasp the essence, and then achieve your goal, your investment goal faster. So that is to say, you learn before enter the market, and then it's relatively safe. Otherwise, like the wolf in this picture, he wants to eat the birds in the air. Maybe it can eat, but in the end, it maybe all die. Then you don't have anything to turn back to the market, right? So safety is the first thing. Okay, so the premise of security is that we are willing to learn, and then you'll make money safe in the market without panic. And it happens on this 29th of this month. Harmony launched a large-scale English course seminar. This is the main content introduction. Okay, and we now open 50 seats. Okay, open 50 booking seats for you, free seats for you. We just opened this booking system this morning, and more than half of the seats were taken. So, but still got some. The light blue one, you can still book. So, how to register? You can send 929 to my WhatsApp 011 1652 7962. But if you prefer to listen in the Mandarin version, the time should be on 28th Saturday. Okay, this English version is 29th Sunday. Okay, the Mandarin version is 28th Saturday. Also have 50 booking seats. You can also send 929 to my WhatsApp, then I will book one for you. And the seats, after 50 free seats, the fee is 100 ringgit for each one. Okay, so that's all for today, and wish you happy every day with the big profit in your investment. Thank you very much. See you next time.